Let's learn parts of body. Face, face. This is my face. Eyes, eyes. These are my eyes. Nose, nose. This is my nose. Air, air. This is my air. Lips, lips. These are my lips. Mouth, mouth. This is my mouth. Teeth, teeth. These are my teeth. Tongue, tongue. This is my tongue. Cheek, cheek. This is my cheek. Chin, chin. This is my chin. Neck, neck. This is my neck. Head, head. This is my head. Hairs, hairs. These are my hairs. Arm, arm. This is my arm. Hand, hand. This is my hand. Finger, finger. This is my finger. Nail, nail. This is my nail. Elbow, elbow. This is my elbow. Leg, leg. This is my leg. Foot, foot. This is my foot.